Hey guys, today we have a little quick tip tutorial video for everyone who has their community on Instagram or Facebook, for example. Because sometimes you just can't share the links on that platforms. We found 4 ways or 4 tools which will actually enable you to do that easily and increase the user experience. After the intro now, I'm switching to my computer to show you the actual tools, so stay tuned.
Linkvertise. Monetize your content.
Hey guys, here I am on my computer right now and we will start directly into the different tools I promised you in the intro. So first of all we have the tool bit.ly.com. On Bitly you can short the Linkvertise link again, so actually you don't even need to sign up and you can just put your Linkvertise link and then share the Bitly link which was created from that. But it's quite useful to sign up. That's what I did in here and show you now. And then create your links because you can see different stats on your links, for example the traffic origin or like the referrer. So I just made an example in here for this Linkvertise link, and that's the Bitly link. We copy that link and paste it to see it's good, and we are getting redirected to Linkvertise. It's working fine, so that's all I wanted to show you for this tool. Let us continue with the second one I have to show you. It's Linktree. It's especially for Instagram, but you can also use it for any other circumstances. Well, you're just signing up on Linktree. It's also free and you can just start with creating a lot of links and put even a label on every link. You will have some buttons here which will appear after you open your custom Linktree link, and under this button there's the Linkvertise link. So this link here you can copy to your clipboard and paste it into your Instagram bio, but you don't have to do that. You can just paste it anywhere where you want to make the people come from and just put it in the browser or even let people click on it. You're getting redirected to this site. You could also see in the dashboard on here, and you can just click on the link. You're getting redirected. Everything is working fine. So now let us continue to 2 other tools which work quite similar. First one is Pastebin. It's like a text editor online available for the public. You can just sign up for free and paste your link in here and click on create link or create paste in this case, and you're having the Pastebin link on here. You copy this and you can, I'm using the incognito modus, so paste it in here and you see it's working, so everything is alright. Next on we have a quite similar tool. It's Rentry.co, so it's working like the same but it's a little bit more clear, and you paste the text in here and click on go and your link is created. Here you have it, and we can even go into the incognito modus again, paste it, here it is, boom, it's working also. And yeah, that's basically it for this short video. I hope you liked it, and if you have another tools you could recommend to everyone, please leave a comment with that tool. It will be awesome. Also, please like the video if you could reach some or gain some information about the video or through that video. And that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye.